Forex Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Now, what we're going to do today, guys, is we're going to go ahead and talk about how to create a trading plan for your strategy in this particular video. So what are the common things that every trading plan needs to have? Okay, the very basics that you need to have in your trading plan. I'm going to share those with you today. So let's go ahead and get started. So creating a trading plan, guys, a trading plan is an essential component of successful trading as it helps you clearly define your goals, risk management strategy, and the specific steps you will take to execute your trades. So in this video, we will walk you through the process of creating a comprehensive trading plan that will set you up for success in the Forex market. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to break these down into a couple different steps. And again, this is a 30,000 foot view of the very basic things that you need to consider when you're creating a trading plan. Okay, so trading plan 101, guys, the first thing that you need to do is you need to define your trading goals. The first step in creating a trading plan is to define your trading goals. What are you trying to achieve through trading? Do you want to make a certain amount of money each month, or are you more interested in learning and gaining experience? Your goals will help to guide the rest of your trading plan. So it's important to be clear and be very specific. This obviously is going to be choosing your strategy, guys. You need a strategy to trade. And so this is going to start to define your trading plan itself. So once you have defined your trading goals, the next step is to choose a trading strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Now, guys, I don't care what strategy you use. Okay, it could be the ones that we trade here, or support and resistance, supply and demand, order blocks, whatever it is that works for you doesn't matter to us, right? The most important thing is to actually choose a strategy that aligns, okay, with your own trading goals and also the risk tolerance. Because one of the things that I've noticed is that there are a lot of retail traders out there that want to, let's say, swing trade, and they want to, hold trades for a couple of days or something like this, right? But when it comes to actually holding a trade for a couple of days, they don't understand what happens when you're holding trades for several days, right? Everything looks great, peachy, and perfect when price action is going in your favor and you're up 200 pips, right? But a lot of people don't understand that in order to hold for 3-4 days, you're going to have retracements, right? And so the problem is that a lot of traders cannot hold themselves through those retracements. So the idea itself of being a swing trader is great, sounds great, right? You're trading the higher time frame and you're not looking at it every 5 minutes or so. We get it. There are a lot of great benefits, but a lot of traders cannot handle being up 200 pips, and then the next time that they look several hours later, they've lost 75 to 100 pips, right? And so then the psychology starts to kick in, and then what happens? They probably exit the trade and things. They do irrational decisions, right? So very important to pick a strategy that you're able to tolerate the risk on. So, of course, there are many different Forex strategies to choose from, including, let's say, trend following, counter trend trades, breakout strategies, things of that nature. Consider factors such as your level of experience, your time availability, and risk tolerance when selecting a strategy. Again, very important to select a strategy that best fits you specifically as a trader. Now, we have to determine your risk management strategy. Guys, risk management is everything. Risk management is a crucial aspect of trading, and it's important to have a clear plan in place to manage your risk. This can include setting up stop losses, take profit orders, as well as limiting the percentage of your account that you risk on any given trade. Very important to add in a risk management strategy for your actual strategy. Think about when you enter the trade, you should already have things like stop losses, take profits in place. Okay? You should already have a plan of what you're going to do if the trade doesn't go in your favor. Do you have a way to exit out early if things aren't playing out how you choose to, so you could save yourself more capital and not, wait to be taken out by the stop loss? So definitely make sure that you're using a good risk management plan. The next thing is to create a trading schedule. In order to be a successful trader in Forex, or really in any day trading, it's important to have a consistent and structured approach to trading. This includes creating a trading schedule that works for you, and most importantly, sticking to it. Be consistent at sticking to it. You got to consider factors such as time of day that you prefer to trade, as well as other commitments that you have. So think about, guys, if you have a full-time job and your side gig, right, is starting to learn trading and stuff like that, you have to work around that. Okay, so if you work, let's say, a 9 to 5, and let's just say you're in Eastern Standard Time, and you work a 9 to 5, obviously you're not going to trade while you're in the middle of work. It doesn't make any sense, right? So that means that New York session is out of the question. So essentially you have either Asian session or London session. So you have to make the necessary adjustments to go ahead and actually have that schedule plan out. Okay. It's very hard to do. Obviously, if you have wife, kids, family, things of that nature going around, obviously I understand it's very hard. But if you're going to do this and you really want to do this to be like a full-time thing, then you need to sit down with the family and talk about, what you're going to do, what kind of sacrifices and changes you're willing to do to get on a trading schedule. Now, a couple things to keep in mind when it comes to the trading schedule. Remember that if you're just starting out in trading, you don't need to specifically be up for a certain actual session, because most of your time right now should be spent on back testing, creating, your trading plan, your trading strategy, things of that nature. You don't need to be up during any session for that. You can do that at any time, right? We have the options of replaying charts and things of that nature. So keep that in mind, that if you're just starting out, you don't need to sacrifice right now. The only time that you need to sacrifice and try to switch schedule or kind of manage the creating of the trading schedule is essentially you're going to start, let's say, demo trading, or you're going to start, forward testing the strategy. That's when you start to go ahead and create the trading schedule that's best going to fit you. Okay. So obviously if you're working throughout, let's say, the New York session, then you're going to have to either go to sleep super early when you get home from work, and get up for London session so you can forward test the London session, or test, during Asia. So very important, whatever strategy you choose. And again, this has to also do with the strategy that you choose. Because if you're trading like something like how we trade here on this channel, then you're either trading a London or New York session, right? So this is where the strategy comes into play, and you need to figure out what kind of a trader you're going to be. Next thing is review and adjust your plan as needed. It's important to regularly review and, most importantly, make adjustments to your trading plan as needed. The Forex market is obviously constantly changing, and your plan should evolve with it. Make sure to review your trading plan regularly and identify areas where you can improve the trading plan. So a lot of this is going to really come down to back testing, looking over your trades for over the week and seeing, is there something in my trading plan that's causing me to lose some of these trades that I need to actually change. Make sure that you're constantly reviewing and adjusting This should always be growing every single year. As you're evolving as a trader, as you're gaining more knowledge, okay, you're going to start to, make adjustments to your strategy, right? And so these are the reviews and adjustments that you need to make every single time to your trading plan, okay, so you can actually be successful in the long term. So obviously creating a comprehensive trading plan is obviously an important step towards becoming a successful day trader, Forex trader, futures trader, any kind of a trader. By following these outline steps in this video, obviously you can set yourself up for success and increase your chances of achieving your trading plan goals. Remember, it's important to be consistent and disciplined in your approach and to regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this particular video about creating a trading plan. Please like and share the content, subscribe to the channel, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to make a quick video. If you've ever thought about joining our mentoring program, this is the time to do it. We have decided to extend out the sale through December 31st. So you get a whole nother month to be able to get in on this masterclass at 50% off of the entire mentorship program. All right, this will never happen again. So this is the time. If you've always wanted to join the mentoring program, which is a lifetime membership, this would be the time. The links are in the video description, guys. I hope to see you in the mentoring program.